Hello, my name is Naomi and this is Creating Naomi, where I make all kinds of things. Today I am showing you how I made my very first batch of soap. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, just keep watching. The first thing I did was make my lye water solution. For more information about lye, please check out the link in the description box. Please always do your own research before handling any chemicals. Here I am weighing my ingredients. First is the water and then the lye, never the other way around. This stuff gets really hot. I was using ice cold water, but in the future I'll probably just use ice cubes. I'm also wearing long kitchen gloves and safety goggles. Next, I weigh my oils. First is olive and then coconut. Since this is my first soap recipe, I'm still experimenting with different oils. This seemed like a safe beginner combo. If you're interested, please take a look at my Instagram page at Creating Naomi. I tend to be most active there. Then I add my lye water solution to my oils very carefully and blend. Once it was to the consistency I was looking for, I poured it into a silicone mold designed specifically for soap making. After about 18 hours, I unmolded and cut the soap into 1-inch bars. I should mention that the top of the bar is a different batch of soap I was testing using activated charcoal. This is actually a cheese slicer I'm using here, but it gets the job done. I also tested out the crinkle cutter that came with the silicone mold I purchased through Amazon. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe. Also, a very, very special thank you to anyone who has donated to my channel. This video is made possible because of you. If you'd like to support me, check out my support page. The link is in the description under Buy Me A Kombucha. Thank you so much.